Hello, what's up? Got this package today from Fourhorsemenstudios, and it's the prize from G-Con, the lottery. If you attended, you knew that there was a lottery. My good friend Ben won an all-in. And there were 4 other attendees that won something. I'm not sure what this is actually. But I thought I'd just pop in, do a short unboxing video of what that prize is. I'm not sure. So I guess this is shipped directly from Joe Vasapolo, who was like the contact man for this particular prize or event, I don't know. So me and 4 others were lucky winners of this lottery, and let's see what the prize was. Fourhorsemenstudios, you always do such cool things, and G-Con was amazing. I'm going to post a shelf. I'm going to put together a shelf with, oh no, really? Look at this bad boy. This is a dark Templar. I mean, it is a test shot of the Deluxe Legion Builder test shots. Oh wow, he looks so cool. Oh, all right. Wow. And all the correct accessories as well. I'm so happy, man. So this will be perfect. As I said, I'm going to put together a shelf as a memory shelf from this amazing Mythic week that me and Emil Wickman mostly together experienced, and the weekend with Legions Con and G-Con and everything was just the perfect way to end Mythic week, as we called it. And this bad boy, oh wow. I don't have any other test shots, and I really don't feel the need for them either, but this is like a memory of that cool event. That's why he will be perfect on that shelf. Heck yeah. Perfect. So I will be posting more content on my YouTube channel that is quite old, but there's not much content on it, but there will be eventually. So thanks for watching this short video, guys. See you later, man.